morning. Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today is day 3 of our investments week, and we're going to cover fix and flips. Fix and flips are a huge part of the investment game today, especially here in Phoenix. You have people looking to fix and flip, wholesale, a lot of basically you're purchasing a home and holding onto it for a very short time and hopes to sell it for a profit, whether you're fixing it up, whatever it might be. But that's the goal. Short-term hold, sell for a profit, right? That game here in Phoenix has become very competitive. 5 years ago, I would guesstimate there were probably half as many people trying to get into that realm of investment. Now, for those of you who are trying to and would like to be successful, it's about creating your systems. It's a numbers game. You're just looking for those motivated sellers who need to sell on a pinch and would rather a sure thing for slightly less money than risking whatever it might be on the open market for more money. And they're definitely out there. There are 1,000 reasons people are going to sell a home. Whether they're relocating, death, divorce, job. I mean, unfortunately, there are a lot of reasons people may need to sell a pinch, right? Now, as an investor, you just need to be there when they are. Now, how do you do that? Well, you make a lot of phone calls, you send out a lot of emails, you knock on a lot of doors. Now, if you want to set yourself aside, knock on doors and do your actual homework. Find the people who may or may not be behind in their payments. Find the people who may have owned their home for X amount of time that might be able to sell for less. Whatever it might be, it's a numbers game, okay? Don't just put out, make 10 phone calls. Don't do one mailer, send it out to 1,000 people one time. No. You're gonna need to keep it up and keep firing at certain communities. If you can, own a community and just keep pounding and door knock and phone call. If you put enough people out there, if you put enough feelers out there, you are definitely gonna find that motivated person. Now, the last thing I want to finish with is the profit margins. The profit margins are getting smaller and smaller as the competition has gone up. So just be very careful. Back in the day, we used to get 50, 40, 30% margins. Now you're seeing people buying with even less. So just be very, very careful. Don't back yourself into a corner. As we're going to keep stressing in this series, you make your money going into the investment. Don't pray for the future. Don't pray that the market's going to continue going up, because we can't predict it. Know what you're getting into, and please be conservative. That's it for today, guys. Have an awesome day. Today is day 3. There's a full play. Today is day 3